Hey everybody, thanks for checking out the the computer-based engineering lesson for this week. Thank you to all the people that submitted bridges from last week. I'm looking for a good way to share these on Monday so that you can see what other people designed and what their other strength to weight ratios were. We're going to do something really different this week that's based on the design process and designing some furniture for our school. So we're going to go through the design process in doing this because it's a good structure from which to come up with a useful design. The first part would be empathize. So the three things that I thought of when I was thinking about what the needs of a student would be is it needs to be, it shouldn't look like price was the only bottom line. It should look not fancy, but like students are being really prioritized. I think that's what high schoolers like to see. It should definitely be comfortable. I think that's the part that's something more loungy is missing from our school right now. It'd be good to come up with something like that. And it should be really strong and really washable so that it can last a long time. So those are the three things that I thought we would need to design around. And the next step is kind of similar, but a little subtly different, is called the define step in the process. There we're going to take these needs and think about how we're going to measure our success. What's something more concrete that we can use to say this is either a good design or a bad design. So the three things I came up for defining the problem or defining what the solution will look like is it should be durable, washable, and built to a commercial use standard. It should be comfy, inviting, restful, and rejuvenating. And maybe it should be a little light, a little airy, and a little sculptural. So those are my three, but you can come up with something different for all of these steps. And then the last one is where we go through the process of ideating and prototyping. Ideate is more like come up with an idea that you think will work and come up with several of them that would solve the problem, but you have no idea how you would really build them yet. And prototype is where you take one of your ideate ideas and make it a little more feasible, a little more real, and actually would build something there. So there's instructions. I'll have a set of office hours that you can tune in for, and we can chat via video on Teams, and that'll be on Thursday between 2 and 4. And I will also have be available by email all week. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you think this is fun. And please let me know if there's something special you want to learn about, and please send me an email with what you designed and how you designed it, which is your Word document and a step file or a Fusion file. And that way we can share them with each other when we're done. So don't forget to share your work with me via email, and don't forget to check out other people's designs from last week. Thanks.